So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to make this AutoCAD background white. So let's say this ribbon ribbon tab, this layout tab, these things can be changed by its theme. So for that it is very simple. Just type the command options, press enter, and this kind of dialog box will appear. So in that you have to go under the option of display, which is right over here, and after that the first option of here right over here, color theme, you have to select light and just press OK, and then you will see the magic in like few seconds. As you can see, the whole theme of my AutoCAD has been ruined, sorry, has been changed by white. So this is how you can change your AutoCAD theme or AutoCAD background to white. So that was it for the video. If you like the video and you also want to ruin your friend's AutoCAD theme, then share with him.